Hi and welcome back. We did introduce data visualization or charting techniques in the previous lecture. Now we'll look at some of the common tools that will bring these visualizations to life, right? Let's get started. Choosing the right tool is the most crucial thing for creating effective visualizations. Luckily, there are a wide range of tools available, from very simple spreadsheets to powerful BI platforms, right? No matter what's your level of expertise or complexity of your data, there is a tool out there for you, right? So this lecture is about that fit. What is the task and what is the need and what's the tool for that task or need, right? Let's start with the first of the tools, typically Microsoft Excel. That's where you have first seen any visualization to happen, right? So what does it offer? It typically offers a lot of different basic charting capabilities. Some of the charts that we discussed last time around, all of those are available with Microsoft Excel. As you become more comfortable with data visualization, you may want to explore dedicated tools like Tableau, Power BI, and Qlik. These tools provide more advanced capabilities and greater customization options than typical spreadsheet applications, right? So let's talk of the Tableau. Tableau is a powerful tool that can handle large data sets, create complex interactive visualizations. It has got very user-friendly interface, and that's made it popular choice among professionals in various industries. Power BI can be called as a cousin of Tableau, but it's actually a Microsoft product that typically integrates very seamlessly along with other tools in Microsoft ecosystem like Excel or Azure. It's a fantastic option for businesses that already use Microsoft products. Now, if you are looking for unlocking full potential of data visualization, then programming languages like D3.js, R, Python offer you limitless capabilities, right? So what are these about? D3.js is a JavaScript library that allows you to create intricate, interactive, web-based visualizations. It has flexibility and that allows you to learn rather quickly. Results can be very stunning, right? On the other hand, R and Python are two programming packages. R in particular is a statistical programming package, which is rich with ecosystem of packages for data visualization such as ggplot2. With R, you can create custom visualizations tailored for your specific needs, such as understanding data relationships before you build statistical models. And for interactive visualizations in web applications, RShiny is a versatile tool. With Python, another popular programming language, you have a variety of libraries for data visualization, including Matplotlib and Seaborn. So these plotting libraries typically help analysts with descriptive analytics and data exploration before the analyst builds a production-ready software application. So in this video, we have seen there are enterprise applications like Tableau and Power BI, which help the end user with the visualization based inference, and there are R as well as Python based programming packages, programming language based packages, which help analysts do the visualizations before moving on to a final production ready system, right? So these various tools are used at various phases during a project. Typically R Python based visualizations are used by analysts in a service oriented mode, whereas a production ready solution is typically deployed with Tableau or Power BI, which can handle very large data sets and with lot of interactive visualization options readily available in those software packages. So this concludes our discussion about visualization tools, and we look at important use cases in data analytics, business analytics in the next set of sessions. Thank you.